हरिओम, श्रीराम, अंबज्ञ, नाथ संविद, नाथ संविद, नाथ संविद. A very, very warm welcome to all the gorgeously gorgeous super moms and devoted, dedicated super dads watching me at this point of time. I am Mayuri Ramdasi. Welcome you all to this session. One of the very important concepts of Arula is working on developing empathy in the child. When I call it empathy, is something about the emotional awareness about the child, of the child rather. See, while nurturing children on spectrum, we pay so much attention in unnatural, compelled visual seeking and teaching, correcting, prompting techniques to develop them. A tabletop activity, use of flashcards, use of matching, sorting. Means we try to make them, the children, we try to engage them in the activities, in the task. So engagement in the task becomes our major goal. And a child who is able to sit for 10 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour for the session, that is considered as, oh, my child did this. बच्चे ने किया, वो 1 घंटा बैठा रहा. मतलब 1 घंटा बैठाने के बाद क्या अचीव कर रहे हो आप लोग? बच्चे का थेरेपी सेशन आधा घंटा चलता है, 1 घंटा, क्या अचीव क्या कर रहे हो? टॉलरेंस बढ़ गया, हाई कॉन्टैक्ट बढ़ गया. वाई डोंट यू थिंक इन सच अ सेंस दैट अगर मुझे मेरे बच्चे को डेवलप करना है, इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू डेवलप माई चाइल्ड थरली and in reality, practically, if I want to take him out of autism zone, the most important thing that I need to work on is on emotional expression built up. Means what? What is the major concern in our children? Speech outcome, lack of listening skills. और उसके चलते all this behavioral, that vicious cycle is formed. Behavioral concerns, sensory concerns, meltdowns, stimming, एक ना दो और 10. लेकिन in this aspect, have you ever thought कि is my child developing empathy? When I say about empathy, it includes so many other emotions also. Love, care, then compassion, understanding the pain, and not own pain, at the same time the pain of others also. And all those things need to be developed. और अगर मुझे स्पीच डेवलप करना है, इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू डेवलप वेरी गुड स्पीच इन माई चाइल्ड, 2-वे वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, इमोशनल एक्सप्रेशंस का डेवलप होना इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. फॉर दैट देर इज़ वन कॉन्सेप्ट इन अरुला. वन ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स आई विल से इज़ creating a character for or character companion to your child. Okay? What is character companion? Majority of the cases, we see that our children are little within themselves. Most of the time, they are within themselves. They are not attached to the outer world. They are connected. They are not connected with the people around them. They don't show that empathy. They don't show that compassion, or rather they don't acknowledge the even existence of the सामने वाला person, या कोई घर पे होगा, third person. So for that, that concept that today I am going to just explain it to you is creating a character companion. अब देखो, for an example, for me this particular toy or character toy I always call, this is my companion, my child's companion. Now, you see that in the development of the child, in developmental stages, every child, you may take it as neurotypical children most often, every child is attached to 1 or 2 such character toys. They are very close to it. Means nowadays even in neurotypical children also it is missing out because we are not working on those aspects. So here what I want to say, this is a character toy that I have selected for my child, and suppose I give him name as Pinku. Okay, So this particular character toy, you have to make it a point that he is present around your child most of the time when the child is at home. That's why I'm calling it as companion character or character companion. Making whatever you are doing with your child, you have to express it towards this companion toy also. For example, your child is eating. Arnav, you are having breakfast. Oh my God, Pinku did not have. Pinku, come, sit on my lap. Okay, have breakfast. Now Arnav is having breakfast, sitting besides you. And this Pinku is also sitting on your lap and you are making him also feed. Something called as pretend play, one of the kind of pretend play that you are doing. इससे क्या होगा? धीरे धीरे when throughout the day you will start engaging your child with this character companion, there are senses that will generate, that will get developed in your child. First of all, alertness, that he is around me all time throughout the day. Secondly, my mama is loving him also as she loves me. So kind of little sense of that jealousy. Generally we call when there is lacking in siblings or siblings are not there, then sibling rivalry is also one of the very important milestone or important, you can say, the developmental outcome that is seen in the children. So that stinge of jealousy also should get developed in the child. So in front of Arnav, mummy will be doing, oh my Pinku, and then asking Arnav to love him. This way the character companion will be working. This Pinku plays an immensely important role. While eating, while bathing, while sleeping, while playing, this Pinku is always going to be your child's companion. And don't worry, when the child gets attached to this Pinku, then please don't call it as hyperfixation. I mean, I'm fed up of certain terminologies that people casually use when they look at autistic child. Autistic बच्चा जो भी करता है वो फिक्सेशन है, हाँ वो स्टिमिंग है, हाँ वो मेल्टडाउन है. अरे क्या है, क्या लगा रखा है? Can't you just consider ये बच्चा है, he is just expressing, he is just doing this. Why can't we consider their meltdowns, stimmings and their hyperfixations, obsessions as assets to develop them? But no, we want to cut them off and we want to establish some new behavior. Anyways, this topic of meltdown and all, considering or developing them as an asset, वो तो next time आ जाएगा मेरे किसी वीडियो में, that I am going to talk. But very important thing, this Pinku. Okay? So that character companionship is very important everywhere. Then pretending the situations. That mama is tired. Pinku is getting water for mama. So Pinku ने ऐसे पानी लिया और मम्मा को पिलाया. Simple thing. And I am telling you, don't consider my child doesn't understand. सबसे बड़ी mistakes क्या करते हैं parents? They underestimate the child's capacity of understanding. They judge the child with respect to its speech outcomes, which is a sheer bullshit. Should not do that. You have to tell yourself, you have to confirm it to yourself, confront it to yourself that yes, my child is understanding everything that I am doing with him or her. He knows everything. He's experiencing, he's sensing everything. No matter whether he's giving me eye contact or he's sitting beside me or he's just roaming in the room, somewhere else he's sitting. No pressure on the child to sit. But mama is talking, mama is making that connection. And this will work. Okay? So try doing it, start doing it. Character companion build up and the progress, levels of using the character companions. It goes through various stages in Arula. So think about it and start working. See you in the next video. Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya. Natha Samvid.